I'm recording Leon, and he is snoring really loud. Take a listen.
The seasons in our region of America seem to have minds of their own. The fields in winter look so barren that it seemed nothing could ever grow there again, like the dark sky would last the rest of the year. Then, magically, spring would come and catch us by surprise every time. And there were so many surprises. Who'd have thought that my daddy would ever let me play football? And who would dream that river that was the in town would let me hold her hand? It was indeed a strange and unusual time. Old Skip had helped me through the struggles of boyhood, but his job was far from done.
And he's turning around. Caught on to us. Let's see if he continues with the story.